This video tutorial is provided by the College of Graduate Studies at UCF. In this video, I will review requirements for using equations and demonstrate how to apply the appropriate formatting changes. All equations, formulas, and symbols must follow the format of the approved style manual being used. A list of equations is not required, although all equations must be numbered. Equation numbers should be placed in parentheses near the right margin and aligned consistently throughout the document. Each equation should also have adequate and consistent space both above and below to set it off from the text. Within the Word document, turn on the Show Hide All Formatting button to reveal any pre-existing formatting. Because we will be using a tab stop to align the caption rather than aligning the text itself, it can sometimes be easier to insert the caption before the equation. If you have an equation already inserted, place your cursor to the right of it. Otherwise, place your cursor in the line where you want the equation to be placed. You can go to the Insert tab and select Equation. Word provides pre-formatted equations, or you can insert your own using the Insert New Equation option at the bottom of the menu. For this example, I will use the quadratic formula. This creates an equation box which allows me to modify the equation within the box. Go to the References tab of the ribbon and select Insert Caption. In the label list, select the open parentheses. If it is not there, you will need to use the New Label button to create the label. Select New Label and in the text box type an open parentheses and then click OK. In the caption box, type a space following the number and then the closed parentheses. Then click OK to insert into the document. This will apply the caption style to your equation, and the number in parentheses will appear to the right of the equation. To separate the equation and number, as well as right-align the number, we're going to create a tab stop. Typically, when you press the tab key, it moves the text over 5 spaces, or half an inch. When you create a tab stop, it overrides the typical tab and moves the text however far you direct. In this case, we're going to use a tab stop to right-align the caption by moving it 6 inches to the right. With your cursor to the left of the caption, select the Home tab and go to the Paragraph section. Click the arrow in the bottom right corner, and from this menu, open the Tabs menu from the bottom left corner. In the text box under Tab, type the number 6. This instructs Word to move the text over 6 inches when you press the Tab key. Change the alignment to the right and then click OK. With your cursor still to the left of the parentheses, press Tab. This should move the parenthetical number to the right. If you prefer your equation be centered on the page, you will need to indent this line. The Center Alignment button will center the text, but it will also include the 6 inches of tab space in this alignment. Instead, use the hanging indent ruler to move your equation inward. Because the caption style of your equation also affects the captions for the tables and figures, I suggest making manual changes to each equation if necessary, rather than modifying the caption style. This concludes the video tutorial for equations. If you have further questions, please use the Format Help section of the Thesis and Dissertation Services site. You may also refer to the Equations PDF instruction file. For more video tutorials, please return to the Graduate Thesis and Dissertation web course.